What's good, Vanessa gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, and be a part of Vanessa gang, because Vanessa gang is Vanessa gang of all gang. Anyways, from the title, you know this is about to be a haul. Dollskill sent me a big old package of clothes about 2 weeks ago, and I never opened it, so I figured when I open it with y'all and give y'all my opinion. So I did pick out these items on the website, and they don't have maternity clothes, and I don't feel like buying maternity clothes because I'm only gonna be pregnant for 3 more months, you know, and I'm never gonna wear the clothes again. So I just got clothes that I feel would be stretchy. The website Dollskill, I don't know if you've heard of them or not, but a lot of influencers work with them because their clothes are like good quality, but they run small. So if you think that you wear extra small, you probably wear a small unless you're like super skinny. What the hell is this? I'm gonna try all of these things on and hopefully they fit me. If none of these fit me, I'll go ahead and sell them for the low, okay? This is a coat. Oh, it's a puffer jacket. So this is in a size small. Oh, this is snug. This is like tight. And it fits over my belly, so that's a plus. If I wasn't pregnant, I probably would prefer a small, but they fit my arms perfectly. You see my belly hanging out the bottom, but that's okay. In 3 months, I will have that. Actually, I feel like it fits weird. Like I should have got a medium or a large because I feel like this is like some type of crop top jacket again. I look official with this. This puffer jacket was $78. I don't know if y'all think that's a steal or not, but I like it. The quality is good. It looks like it's garbage material, but it's actually like high quality. Oh my god, I'm so hot. I'm about to pass out. What the heck is this? This is the metallic snakeskin hip bag. So I don't know how to put this on. I think it goes on my leg. This was $38. I think this is literally just for looks, but this is cute as hell. Like who do you know has this, you know? Maybe it go like this. Oh, this fits a lot better. Okay, the back strap isn't really that adjustable. So if you like hella thick, like I got thick thighs, but this fits me perfectly on the thighs. It's gonna really lift your booty. I know I'll get hella compliments with this. Okay, let me take it off. But yeah, this was $38. Y'all might be like, $38 for that, but honestly, if y'all want to be a bad bitch, you could wear the most basic clothes ever, not even name brand or nothing. But if you got something like this, it's gonna bring your outfit from 0 to 100. This is a Hi Kitty girls fanny pack. So I have a blue one like this and I love it. I don't wear it that much because it's so like bold, but this one is multicolored, so I have more options of what I can mix and match it with. Oh my goodness, why my buttons don't want to stay buttoned? This is cute AF. I like wearing it in the front. You could wear it in the back, but I wouldn't wear it in the back unless I had like a bob or something, or if I just had to keep my hair in the front, because you cannot take away from the bombness. Like I don't like the fact that this is just a regular black band, because I think it looks weird, especially if you have like big boobs. Like just having a strap between your chest just don't look right. So I would probably just keep it like this. Okay, this is Sugar Step back sheer jackets in small, and this was $35. Oh, this is cute. My belly's big, so I can't wear it as like no crop top, because wearing it down like this, it just don't look right. Maybe because I got a big belly right now. Maybe it'll look right if I was like real small again, but I definitely wear like a tight dress underneath it, like a white one. I don't know if I like the material. It's sheer, so it's not like stretchy, but I like how they have this so that it's tight around, you know, your wrist. I honestly don't know how many times I'm gonna reach into my closet for this, but I feel like if I'm wearing a basic like all white outfit or something, it could work. So this is In Your Dreams thermal romper. So because it says thermal, I know that it's probably gonna be warming, which I love onesies because they fit perfectly for my belly and stuff, which is what I recommend if you're pregnant. Like if you don't want to buy maternity clothes like me, you could just get rompers because they're supposed to be stretchy. They're usually stretchy. I keep trying to go on like all these websites like Fashion Nova to find nice fitting onesies, and they're always sold out. This is almost like the other one that I have that I took a picture on Instagram. I'll put that picture right here. This is giving me like that vibes. Imagine if I took pictures like that in this hair. But I already know this is gonna fit bomb. What size is this? I got it in small actually. I don't know, because this is a small and it's kind of looser than what my clothes usually are. But maybe when I wash it, because it's stretchy, it'll like shrink when I put it in the dryer. But I know I'm definitely gonna need bigger fitting clothes like in a couple months when I'm like at my biggest, you know. But this feeling is like super thick, super big thick material. It is $38. That's around the price that I pay for all my rompers actually. Anywhere from $20 to $60-ish. Oh snap. It is definitely see-through. I'm gonna try on these two dresses, so I'm gonna be back in a second. And I'm back. It's definitely see-through like I thought. So I put some shorts underneath because y'all can't see the goodies, you feel me? I love this dress. I think it's perfect for like a classy pop out. I think I'm gonna wear this for my baby shower. I think it's definitely baby shower appropriate. I just need to find the right undergarments. So if y'all think y'all know some bomb undergarments, let me know for underneath sheer dresses like this, because I ain't trying to be no baby mama thought out here, okay? I don't know if I told y'all, but this is $40, and I don't know, the material, I don't feel like I could wear this all day because it's not that comfortable, but it's fire. Maybe for some pictures or something, then you take it off and change it. But I mean, you gotta do whatever you gotta do to be a bad bitch. So I'm gonna be back with dress number 2. Okay, this is the last dress, and it's called Dirt Rider shirt dress for $40. I don't know if I like it with my pregnant belly. I feel like it made me look fat. I don't even look pregnant, I just look fat. And the sleeves are like hella long. Like I don't know if this is supposed to be like a look or not, but I got short arms, and when I put it through, the sleeves, I don't know, I feel like the sleeves look funny. The material is like a thin material, but it's still like quality material, if you know what I mean. I was thinking maybe if I put like a belt right here, you know, like under my chest, it'll look right, but I don't think so. If I do wear this, it's because I just literally quickly threw it on. My boyfriend's like, you don't need it, you need to give it to me, so I'll probably just give it to him. But yeah, that's literally all I got this time. I like everything except this, and then this jacket was my second least favorite. I mean, I still think it's cute, but like I said, I don't think I'd like reach for it, so maybe I'll just sell it on my app. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll let you guys know where I sell my clothes and all of that stuff, so you guys can go purchase it. Okay, and that's again, that's all for the video. But before I leave, I am going to do my shout outs, because I know sometimes I forget. Y'all need to remind me. So today's shout out goes to, oh look, it's Jarissa. She's been a loyal follower, subscriber, supporter since the You Now days. So if you know me from You Now, you probably recognize her. She's like hella active, and she's mad funny. She always has me dying in the comments. So shout out to you, girl. I love you. Mwah. If you guys want to shout out, all you have to do is go to my Instagram page, comment on my last post, gang, so I know you came from the video, and I will scroll and I will find you and I'll shout you out in my next video. But that is all. If you guys have any other video ideas, let me know. Don't say story times, because those are coming. I'm slacking, but they're coming. I know y'all love those videos, and if you stay to the end, I love you so much. I love you, gang. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.